Hello everyone and welcome back to the Code Syndicate. Today we will discuss for loop in Rust. For loop is a finite loop, also called as iterator. For loop iterates through a range of data and executes codes in every iteration. Let's see this with the example. Here 1.11 is a iteration from 1 to 10. Remember 11 do not count here. So this loop iterates through 1 to 10 and in every iteration it will print the every element it iterates through. Let's run the code to see the output. Perfect. Looping through an array. Here we have declared an array with the name of these four fruits. Here this for loop iterates over all these names and prints all the names in console. Let's run the code. Perfect. Looping through vector. Let's change this array to make it a vector. Let's change this to vector, and to make this array vector we need to add this vec micro. Let's change this also. Run the code. Perfect. Iterating through a hashmap. First we need to import hashmap from the standard library. Here we have declared a new hashmap in this line and added four key value pairs with key as a index 1 and value as a str type. So the first element is 1 and apple. Second will be 2 and orange, and third will be 3 and mango. Fourth one will be 4 and banana. Here we are destructuring tuple which we get from this iteration. An iteration over an hashmap returns a tuple of keys and value pairs. So to use both keys and values, we need to destructure it. Let's run this code. As you can see, one thing is to be noted that a hashmap is not an ordered list. What I mean from this is the keys and value pair in a hashmap are randomly stored. This is why you can see here, instead of getting the first element, we are getting this second element. Thereafter, the third element and the first element and the fourth element. So hashmap are not order list. If you want any data in a sequence of a particular order, you should avoid using hashmaps. As I have said that the iteration over an hashmap returns a tuple, so let's verify it a variable instead of this destructuring of a tuple. Let's use a single variable. Right. Here you can see the Rust analyzer automatically detects its type, that is this tuple of a I32 type and a str type. Let's remove this I and remove this as well. Here you can see even after removing this I, we have got an error. Basically, this fruit is now a tuple and we cannot print it in the console without formatting it. To format it, we need to write colon and question mark. It should work now. Let's run this code. Now, seeing these two output, you can confirm that The hash maps are not ordered.